When India was divided in 1947, it wasn't just the land that was split into two, India and Pakistan, but also everything from money to rivers, books to furniture, and even soldiers. This huge division was carried out under the Lord Mountbatten Plan. Every little thing was counted and shared, including treasures, cupboards, desks, and even elephants. But there was one special thing that was never divided, and it didn't go to either India or Pakistan. The Army Bugle. Where did it go? Everything else was shared, but the Army Bugle, a trumpet like instrument used in military ceremonies, was taken away by Lord Mountbatten himself. He kept it as a personal memento, a reminder of his time in India and, more importantly, of Japan's surrender to the British during World War II. That bugle held emotional value for him. How was the army divided? On 14th of August 1947, the British Indian Army was officially disbanded. The final order was signed by Field Marshal Auchinleck and Major General Reginald Savory. After the partition, the soldiers had to choose their country. Around 2.6 lakh soldiers chose to stay with India, but about 1.4 lakh soldiers went to Pakistan, and most of them were Muslim. What did Pakistan get? Well, talking about Pakistan, India gave Pakistan 75 crore rupees, a share in railways and postal services, a share in Indus River water, and overall movable assets were divided into 80 to 20 ratio. Even unique things were split. West Bengal got a car, East Bengal, now Bangladesh, then was a part of Pakistan, got an elephant named a Joy Money. Well, interestingly, a gold-plated horse carriage became the center of tug-of-war between the two. It was finally decided by a coin toss, and India won the toss, taking home the grand carriage. So yes, the partition wasn't just about borders. It was also about dividing daily life, history, and even animals and memories. What do you think about this fascinating piece of history? Had you heard about the Army Bugle story before? Let us know in the comments. And to all of you watching this, Happy Independence Day. Let's never forget the sacrifices that made our freedom possible. Jai Hind.